Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2018 Audi Q5. Actually a good amount of fun to drive. This is the 2.0 liter. I'm a big fan of it. Bang & Olufsen sound system. This one's Premium Plus. Yeah. Spent the night with it. There's your panoramic sunroof. I believe those are your speakers for Bluetooth. You just touch those. Do that to turn on all the lights, although I'm pretty sure they're brighter when you touch them individually, but I might just be losing my mind. Right, backup camera, into drive. Oh yeah. Yeah, we put brand new tires on this, brand new brakes. This car is ready to go. Got enough birds here? Holy cow. If auto start stop, you can disable it right there, which I've already done. I've also spent time in the 2018 SQ5. Again, you want more power, that's probably the way you want to go. However, even after spending time in an SQ5 and having my personal opinion of wanting to buy an SQ5, I'm not begging for power here. This 2-liter has a lot of torque down low, and the way it delivers power is actually pretty good. Run across the street on a blind corner. That's a good idea. Do have paddle shifters behind the wheel. And that actually does wake up the transmission, especially if you put it down into sport mode too. Obviously I'm in dynamic mode, but the transmission has its own sport mode. Once you do that, yeah, this thing wakes up. Downshifts are phenomenal, actually. You know, this is my first time really driving it with the paddles, and I'm kind of upset that I haven't been doing it earlier. That awakens a whole new side of this car. This transmission's way better in manual. those are fast shifts. Holy cow. I mean, those are fast shifts for any transmission, dual clutch or automatic. Come on, man. There's no way I haven't been driving this with paddles. Oh, that's a whole new car. So that's the one thing with the Q5 I've always loved about it, especially this new generation. It's kind of the tale of two cars. It can be a very luxurious cruiser, but once you start really pushing it, it can be pretty fun to drive too. And if you're one to modify your cars, I could hear some burbles from the exhaust. They're very, very, very muted, but they're there. So if you put an exhaust on this, you should have some burbles. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.